मैं आपको ना लाइव कर रहा हूँ, मैं उसके अंदर एडमिन में
Hmm.
लाइव हुआ।
Okay. So, hello everyone, welcome in one more session on electronics for you. And today we are going to discuss about how you can design your own barcode scanner, the QR code scanner, the multi-level of code scanner. So it's a universal code scanner. You can scan the barcode, you can scan the QR code and different kind of barcode, different 2D, 3D, 1D barcode or the QR code as well, and super portable device. So like in the market, you have seen these kind of barcode reader. So most of these barcode reader that you seen, these kind of barcode readers, that they come from the 2000 to like to 10,000 rupees. So most of these barcode reader work on the USB, like they have the USB port and on which you can connect and then read the barcode or QR code and give you the output. If you want to get the wireless, then it will become really little bit more costly. And also some are only barcode reader, some are only QR code reader, and some are QR code plus barcode. So and these devices are not also not programmable. Like if you want to do some kind of programming that it has to do take action after scanning the barcode, then it will not able to take that action. Okay, so we are going to make a whole barcode scanner and reader, and that it total autonomous, so it can detect the barcode like this. Here in the demo I am showing, so it can detect the barcode like this in the real time. See, in the real time and give you the output, and it also provides you the API. So using the API you can take the barcode reading wirelessly on the laptop. So in other barcode readers we can connect only one laptop. So if you have any kind of events or some kind of things where you have to manage the entry exit of the guest by scanning the barcode or by scanning the QR code, so it can do both things. It can scan, and many laptop can be connected at once. So you can mount the barcode reader like this here at the gate, and any guest coming inside the hall or exiting the hall, then they can scan the barcode, and multiple number of devices can be connected and can be get using the API. So like there are multiple managers on the event, and to get and all of those managers need to get the barcode of every person in entry and exit. Then you can connect to multiple number of laptops, okay, multiple number of phones as well, and it's wireless, completely wireless. So you can mount this barcode reader anywhere wirelessly like this, okay, and so people can scan it, and it can also use in the shopping mall in many areas, and it's wireless, and it can also be programmed for taking certain action, like the barcode is reading and it's check the database, and then it can allow the person to enter or not enter or send the message. You can also automate it, you can also reprogram. So it's a total universal programmable barcode and QR code reader that can scan any kind of barcode, any kind of QR code, and it can do the automation, it can do the wireless connection with the laptops and systems to scan it. And this is not only this the whole device code can also be run on the laptop. So you can also make your laptop and a PC as a barcode reader. So here what we're using, as you can see in my camera. So this is my camera, okay, you can see this is my camera. So what we are going to use for the processing and AI things, we are using the Raspberry Pi. So it comes I am using the Raspberry Pi 4 with the 2 GB of. You can also use the Raspberry Pi Zero, okay, with or Raspberry Pi A with 1 GB of RAM, that comes around 1,000 to 1,500 to 2,000 rupees, okay. And then you also need a camera that again cost you around 200 to 1,000 rupees. It's varies on the. I am using the 300 rupees camera, and this camera comes with CSI ribbon connector, right? You can see, and I have connected the ribbon cable on the CSI port on the camera like this, okay. So this is a basic setup. Now after doing this, I need to program it to read the barcode and also detect the QR code, okay. So for that I am connecting the USB port here. So I am using this USB-C to C laptop on my Mac, connecting on my Mac. You can see here is the USB port in my Mac, yeah. See, I have connected here. I am powering it. I am connecting this only for the power. I can also connect it with any USB adapter, just for the powering it on. And I'm taking this desktop on the VNC viewer. So as you can see, uh, Okay. So let me show you the little bit of demo. Like I think I have missed that demo because the screen was not set. So this is, you can see. It can do the barcode detection in real time like this. Okay. It can also detect the QR code, and it can also save that every database locally. And it can also grab this database remotely as well, wirelessly. So everything can be possible. Okay. So here, as you can see, here I'm using the Raspberry Pi camera, and the Raspberry Pi, and the camera is connected with the ribbon cable like this, and then yeah, and you can, instead of using this Raspberry Pi, you can also try the Raspberry Pi 0W. I haven't tried on that, but you can also try that. That comes in 1500. Okay, and you can make it portable by adding the battery. And I have using the camera, 2 megapixel to 5 megapixel camera I'm using. That cost me around 300 rupees in the market. If you buy the original camera of the RPI board, then it costs you around 500, 1000 rupees as well. So it depends on the camera that you are using. I am using the low version camera. This will also work fine for me, and it's giving the pretty well video output for me. And that camera is connected using the ribbon cable on the CSI port of the Raspberry Pi. And this is the whole setup for the barcode reader. So it can mount it on the event like this, like here. Earlier I like this. So let me show you. So like this, you can mount there at the event gate, and it can scan the barcode. Okay. And everything that is scanned can be live transmitted data over the API that it will provide itself. And it can also store all those things locally on the system, like these are the images and all things. And this code can also be run on the laptop. So you can also make your laptop and for the barcode reader or QR code scanner or reader, and along with the API. Okay. But here I'm using, to make it portable, I'm using this one. So, okay. So it can be used in the shopping mall, the events organizers, or many areas for reading the barcode, QR code. So it's a multi-purpose. It can read the all kind of barcodes as well and QR codes as well. Okay. So after connecting this, okay, I am going to open the BNC viewer. So for reading the barcode or QR code, there is a pre-built Python module that is available, that is called PyBazaar. Okay. PyBar or something like that. Okay. So let me show you one demo here. So you can see my Raspberry Pi is connected. So I am using only giving the power to the USB. This is for the only power. You can also power it using the battery or power bank and mount it anywhere. And this is the camera. Okay. So now, yeah. So yeah, here is the barcode code. So let me first show you the demo of these things. Then I will tell you how you can make it. Okay. So like here, here, this is the code that we have created. So this is a pre-built Python module called PyBar. Okay, using this PyBar, you can able to detect the QR code and barcode. Okay, or there is an inbuilt function of the OpenCV as well, using which you can detect. So we are using the both thing. We were going to tell you the both thing, the PyBar or the OpenCV. We are going to tell you the both. OpenCV is little bit fast, so I will tell you later. Okay. So let me open, let me run this code. So this code is running here on this Raspberry Pi. On this Raspberry Pi, you can see this is a Raspberry Pi. You can see now I am putting it here like this, so that it can, or let it be like that. Okay, so this is the Raspberry Pi, and this is the Raspberry Pi camera window running the barcode reader or QR code reader. So it can scan both barcode and QR code. So let me show the barcode to the camera or QR code to the camera. QR code. So in the phone, I have a QR code image. You can see this is a QR code image. So I am showing this on the camera, and it will able to detect that. See. approved your entry. This. And if I show this again, then sorry, the code is already being used. Okay, so it's entry exit using the QR code. So I am showing the another camera, another QR code. Suppose that this QR code. Okay. See. Then it will again scan it. Scan it and tell me 1 minute. This is not the real QR code. I need a new real QR code. Yeah, this is another QR code. So it will detect the QR code in the real time. Or there is another QR code reader. This is for entry exit barcode based or QR code based entry exit for the event manager. And this is the another code that will decode and show you the real time QR code that is detected. Okay. So let me show my. So this is the Raspberry Pi here. You can see this is the Raspberry Pi, and I am showing the barcode, so the QR code here. This is the Raspberry Pi BNC window. So this is the window we are saying is running here. Okay. So now I'm showing the QR code to the Raspberry Pi. See, it is detecting. See, the real time. Okay. So there is one more function I have made with the API. Okay. So what the API will do. So let me close it for now. How to close it? 1 second. Oh God. Okay, let me unplug it directly. Okay. So there is one more code I have made. Okay. So let me remove it. And there is one more code I made. This can also be run on Raspberry Pi, laptop, or phone anywhere. So this is the a scanner, final scanner. Okay. So here I can see I have few packets here. Let me show you. So here you can see I have two packets here. One is the chips packet, one is the chips packet, banana chips packet. Then I have another packet for the grocery. That these are the items that we use in the grocery. And all these items had the barcode. Okay, see these barcode. So we will try to detect this barcode and save the database of barcode. And then we will, on the API, this device can connect to the another laptop or anywhere to retrieve the current status of the barcode detected, or the all the barcode that is earlier be detected. Every barcode is been saved in the database along with the image. So this is more advanced version of barcode and QR code reader. So I am running this code. So as you can see, it started the 1 second. Yeah. As you can see, yeah. Let me close this one. Yeah. Let me reopen the code to make it little bit more fast. Let me run it again. Okay. So now you can see the code here, the video here. Okay, video is running. Okay. So I am showing the barcode here. This is the barcode. Sorry, in the camera. It's little bit bent. little bit bent. So yeah, see, detected the barcode and saved the image. See, it's scanning the barcode in the real time. See. So let's use the another packet. So this is another packet and it also has the barcode. See, it's processing. See, barcode reader. See, this is the barcode read by this device. See. Okay, so let me scan the barcode of this chips packet. See, this these images. It's scanned and it's saved. See. So let me show you these data and all these images saved here in the history and the reader. Okay. So here you can see whatever the barcode and QR code that it has scanned. So this is for the barcode. Let me also scan the QR code as well. So let me scan the QR code as well. So this is the QR code. It will scan that as well. Okay. So it scan the QR code and it will be shown here in the this one. See this in the database. So every data is saved. So if I want to see the picture of the QR code scan, you can see here in the folder, all those images are already saved. Okay. Or all those images are already saved. 1 second. Yeah, see. Detected barcode, saved image. Every data is saved locally with the image and the detected and also in the seed. Okay, see. 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 All those data, the QR codes, see. The detected QR code data. So scan in the real time, detect the barcode, decode the barcode, detect the QR code, save the data along with the image. This is the image folder. It saved the image. This is the scan history. It shows all the scan history till now in the seat and the decoded data. So the earlier QR code was the Wikipedia code. So it was showing the Wikipedia decoded data and also showing the time at which it was scanned. See, and what kind of code it was. EN30, other UPCA, all these things. So it will work in the real time pretty fast and it is also hosting the API. It is also hosting the API. See, here you can see it is hosting the API. So when I put this API and try to retrieve the data. So here I am trying to retrieve the data here. So suppose that anyone want to get the data that is read by this barcode reader wirelessly. So I can simply put this barcode reader wirelessly. So I can simply put slash. If I want to get all the data that is scanned till now, then I can simply slash all, and it will retrieve me all the barcode data. See, if I want to retrieve the latest one, then it will show me the latest data. See. So you can customize this code, or you can take this data from any laptop. I can also get this data on the phone here. See, so on the phone, see, I am typing the. See, I got the data on the phone of the barcode reader. See, this data. So it can detect the QR code, it can detect the barcode, it can detect everything, it can give the API, it can store the data in this history, it can store the image history, it can do a lot of things. You can even program this device to do any kind of work, not only just after reading the barcode for the entry, exit, and many things. So it's a super portable, universal code reader, barcode, QR code, any code, it can store the data, everything, all in the real time. Okay. So now let's see how we can make it, let's see into the code, how we can make it. Okay. So for making it, we are using the Python. So like I am telling you, there is pre-built Python module using which you can do it, that is called PyZR, or you can also use OpenCV. Currently, OpenCV, the current OpenCV. See, so the current version, the newest version of OpenCV has this capability for barcode detection. Okay, OpenCV has for open. So if you have already installed the OpenCV module on the Raspberry Pi, and it's not the latest version, then you need to upgrade the OpenCV to the latest version. For that, you need to install. You need to type this. You need to run this command sudo pip3 install upgrade OpenCV contribution Python. Okay, just for the upgrading it, if you have not installed it earlier. So if you want to install, if you haven't installed it earlier, like I have already installed it earlier, I just need to upgrade it. You haven't installed that Python module earlier, you need to run sudo uh, sorry, this code. Instead of this, you need to run sudo uh, install OpenCV Python. Okay, OpenCV Python, just that. You just need to run that command and it will install the Python. So now after installing the Python, it will also install the its dependency dotcat, that is called the NumPy for the numerical computation and other things. So it will also automatically install it. By chance, if it didn't install it, then you can install it manually by typing sudo pip3 install numpy. Okay, and then it will install the numpy as well. Okay, then we are taking the date and time library for the thing, and then for Flask. So for the API thing, so suppose that this barcode reader has to send the data to n number of device in the real time, whatever the QR code and barcode is scanned by this device. So what it need a API. So for API thing, I am using the Flask module. So you also need to install this Python module. So you have to type sudo pip3 install Flask. Okay. So you can do this, run this whole code on the laptop and make your laptop the barcode reader. Or you can also run this whole thing on the Raspberry Pi and make a portable barcode reader using the Raspberry Pi. And you can also use the Raspberry Pi 0W. I haven't tried on the 0W, but you can try it out and let me know in the comments whether it's work or not. I think it will work because they also have pretty much of memory, like 500 MB or 1 GB of memory. There are Raspberry Pi A has the 1 GB and Raspberry Pi Zero have the 512 MB. That is pretty much for the simple object detection and barcode reading from the OpenCV. Okay. So after installing this everything, we are using the thread to process the barcode and also transmitting the data to the Flask using the API, providing the API to the user so that other user can also connect with device and wirelessly take the data of scanned codes, barcode or QR code. It will automatically detect whether the thing is barcode or QR code and automatically decode as well. So that is the beauty of this thing, and save that well as well with the image and with the database of Google Sheet automatically. So it automatically creates the Google Sheet. See, you don't need to create a separate Google Sheet to take the data of entry and exit and all the barcode are scanned by it. It can automatically create the database in the Google Sheet. That is the beauty with the image as well. It will also store the image of barcode. So you can match it later with the product image. That's the beauty of this device. And everything can be sent wirelessly using the API. Okay. So later we need to define the file name, the CSV file where it saves the database in the text format for all the scan with the date and time. And then we have to set the path for the folder where it is saved the images. So suppose that if you don't set any path, you just simply name the file and you can simply name the image. Then what it will do, wherever you put the code, it will try to save the database in same folder where you put the code. If you want to save it in some other folder, some other file, then you have to define the path here in this setting. Okay, you have to define the path here. Okay, after defining the path, we will take the date and time stamp and then it will write the path. It will write the database with the date and time. Okay, then we will start the Flask for API. So it will run the API in the background at the port 8000. So there are different kind of ports, okay, available for on which you can host the API. So by default, you can use 5000, but some of the PC already using the 5000 for other like the VPN tunnel or other kind of thing. Like in my PC, my laptop or my Raspberry Pi, it's running the VPN tunnel. Okay, so on the 5000, so it will give me error because it's already the port being used. Then I can use the 8. I have used the 8000. So these are the list of ports that you can use. You can also use other different ports to define your own. So you have to define the port that you are using. I am using the 8000. You can use the 5000. So you need to check which ports are free to use, and you can use that port and you can define that port here, okay, to host the API thing. Okay, so after that it will run the API in the thread. So you and this API will give you two options. There is the latest or there is the all. So in all it will give you the API will send the all the data of barcode that is scanned till now from that device. All latest will be the current data of the last QR code that is scanned by the device. Okay. Okay. After that, we are going to OpenCV to capture the video, take the video frame. Okay. And after taking the video frame, okay, it will try to detect the barcode. So here we are using the barcode detector, okay, of OpenCV. After detecting the barcode, it will try to decode the barcode, and then after decoding the barcode, it will tell you watch barcode. If that is the detected thing is detected frame do not have any kind of barcode, then it will then try to detect the QR code. If it found the QR code, then it try to decode the QR code and give you the output of the QR code. What's the data in the QR code, and it will give you the decoded data of the QR code. And after that, it will save that in the CSV file, that is the path that we have sent earlier, that we have set earlier. Then it will save the image and it will also give you the API access. Okay, then you have to find the when you run the code, it will give you the output like this, on which the API is running. It will give the IP address with the port number. So when I copy this IP address and port number on any device that is connected on the same network, any laptop, then it will give me the output of the detected barcode. So if I want to get the latest, so I have to type latest. It will give me the latest data. If I want to get all the barcode that is scanned by the device, all. So I can also use the program, a different, make a separate script of program to more organize this data. Okay, that can be also be done. So it's become so we have designed a super a small simple barcode detector device, barcode reader device, a scanner device. Okay, barcode, not only barcode, the QR, the universal code scanner, QR code, barcode, any kind of barcode, any kind of QR code can be scanned with the device. And it's super small, super simple, portable. It can connect to the multiple of laptop. It can save the data locally. It can be programmed for doing a certain kind of function after reading the barcode or QR code. And it can be used in many ways. It can be deployed the shopping mall, the event organizations, where you can put this barcode, this QR code like this on the stand, this QR code or barcode reader like this on the stand at the event gate, and all the managers of the event can access the QR code, and it can also program it for open at gate when the right QR code is shown to it for entry and exit monitoring. It can automate the things as well, so it can be reprogrammable as well. So it's super simple and easy. And I am scanning a few more barcodes again, so show you the demo. Okay, so this is another barcode I am trying to scan. See, it's scanned just now. So I am scanning the another one. See, it is scanned. So it will scan like that. See, it will scan. See, it scan all these data. See, all these barcodes saved. So I'm re-scanning it for QR code. It will show me the QR code. It will scan the QR code then. So there is a separate also, I have made a separate code for only barcode and QR code. So you can also try this. So I'm running it. So every code and everything will be published on electronics for you soon, and you can get this code. Okay, so here it can run and scan it. See, it detected just now. Okay. And that code scanned image, you can see the scanned image of detected QR code. See, here the data is saved. See, it's detected the QR code. And I can see the text of this database here. QR scans. See, separately. See here. So that's all for today. So we can use the Python and the OpenCV itself, and we can read any kind of barcode and QR code and make a simple, portable, universal QR and barcode scanner device with the Wi-Fi capability and the API that can be wirelessly transmit and can be mounted at any kind of event to work to for entry exit and many kind of shopping malls and as well. Or we can also design the smart card as well. So thank you everyone. Thank you. If you have any doubt, you can write me in the comment. You can, if you want the code, you can also comment the code, provide us the code, then we will send you the code, the article link with the code. Okay.